Okay, next question which had come in exam was that structure not crossed by left ureter is. Options were gonadal vessels, iliac vessels, quadratus lumborum and sigmoid mesocolon. This ureter is a very favorite topic of examiners. First of all, you should know that length of ureter. It is important for exam. Length of ureter is approximately 25 to 30 centimeter. Okay, and second thing is that this ureter, it is having peristaltic contractions because it is a muscular tube. Okay, peristaltic contractions are present. And third thing which is important for your practice purpose also, that how we identify ureter. Even in exams, if they have not colored it, like you are not able to differentiate which is vessel and which is ureter, how you have to identify, and how you identify it in a living body also, when even in cadavers also, how you identify ureter. You can identify it because of presence of various longitudinal anastomosis present over there. Okay, and ureter, for ureter I will show you 3-4 images which are very important. These are from Grays. First image is, you have to see that this is simply kidney and suprarenal glands. It is जो ureter है, it arises from the lower part of kidney, from the funnel shaped renal pelvis. Okay, and ureter has 3 constrictions during its pathway. First constriction is present at the ureteropelvic junction. Second constriction is present where it crosses the iliac vessels. This is external iliac, this is internal iliac. So ureter crosses anterior to these iliac vessels. Okay, and this crossing of iliac vessels as well as the constriction is present here at the pelvic inlet or the pelvic brim. And third constriction is present where it meets the bladder. This is the bladder. Okay, and this constriction, that is third constriction, at the vesicoureteric junction, it is the narrowest, and therefore it is the most common site for obstruction of stone, or you can say simply it is the most common site of obstruction. Okay, apart from this image, apart from this thing, I want to show something else also. Like this is the ureter we are showing, and we are looking that there are as we can see, there are longitudinal anastomosis present over the entire ureter. So this is because these longitudinal anastomosis which help us in identification. Okay, and these are the gonadal vessels. Okay, one more important image of ureter which I want to show you. As you can see, this right as well as left ureter, they are they are passing over the psoas major muscle. Okay, this muscle, this is psoas major. Okay, this muscle, and here is the pelvic region. Okay, so on the iliac region there is a muscle which is called as iliacus, and you should know that both iliacus as well as the psoas major, they both have a common insertion. Anyways, quadratus lumborum, it lies here. Okay, so question was that which of the following is not crossed by left ureter. So as you can see, quadratus lumborum is not crossed here by left ureter. You can see that when the ureter is passing here, the gonadal vessels, okay, they are crossing anterior to this left ureter. Okay, and also you should know that right ureter is lateral to IVC, and left ureter is lateral to uh, aorta. Okay, and crossing his here it is in the pelvic brim. You can see this is a pelvic brim now. So here it is crossing the iliac vessels. Okay, so gonadal vessels are crossing it, iliac vessels are crossing it. Apart from that, as written in the Gray's 41st edition, you can see that the right ureter, it is, you know, it descends lateral to inferior vena cava and is crossed anteriorly by the right colic and ileocolic vessels also. So apart from the gonadal vessels, okay, it it is crossed anteriorly by right colic and ileocolic vessels also, and also the mesentery of terminal ileum, whereas the left ureter, it is crossed by the gonadal vessels and left colic vessels, and they pass posterior to loops of jejunum and sigmoid colon and its mesentery. So as we can see that the this ureter, it also crosses the sigmoid colon. So as our question was here, structure not crossed by left ureter, gonadal vessels are crossing it, iliac vessels are crossed by ureter, and also the left ureter is crossing sigmoid mesocolon. So answer should be quadratus lumborum. Okay.